Hey everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to make this delicious, creamy, spicy vodka pasta. I'm super excited to show you guys how to make this, so let's get started with the video. We're gonna begin by grating or shredding 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. When you're finished, set the Parmesan cheese to the side. Next, dice 1 onion. When you're finished, set your diced onions to the side. Now, in a large pot of water, add salt. Bring the large pot of water to a boil and then add 2 cups of your favorite pasta noodles. I'm using shell pasta for mine. Once your noodles are cooked, save half a cup of your pasta water. I saved all of my pasta water just in case. You can do the same, or you can just save half a cup. Set your pasta water aside to use later. Now, in a large pan over medium heat, add 1/4 cup of olive oil. Then add 1/4 cup of your diced onions. Sauté your onions for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then add 1 tablespoon of garlic and sauté the garlic with the onions for 1 more minute. When you finish sautéing your garlic and onions, add a half a cup of tomato paste. Stir the tomato paste in with the onions, garlic, and olive oil. Allow the tomato paste to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 2 tablespoons of vodka. Stir in the vodka and then let it cook for about 2 minutes. After the 2 minutes are up, add 1 cup of heavy cream. Stir in the heavy cream until well combined. Once everything is well combined, add a half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 2 teaspoons of red pepper flakes, 2 teaspoons of basil, and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Then stir in 1 cup of your Parmesan cheese. After that, add a half a cup of the pasta water you saved before. Then add 1 tablespoon of butter. Once you've finished making your sauce and it's all nice and creamy, you can go ahead and add your pasta noodles. And that's it! You are all finished making your spicy vodka pasta. And this is the finished result. This pasta is quick and easy to make, and it was really good. I got this recipe off TikTok. I'll have the TikTok linked in the description below. I totally recommend giving this recipe a try. It is so flavorful and spicy. By the way, if you have leftovers of the pasta, don't cook it in the microwave. Place your pasta into a pot, then add a bit of heavy cream and cook it over medium heat until it is creamy again. Trust me, I did that when I had it for lunch the next day. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!